demonstrate how to replace the rear circuit board.
This is a view of the front of the control valve. In order to access the internal components, we will need to view the back side of the power head cover. Using a crosshead screwdriver, loosen the 4 screws that are located in each corner of the power head cover. The front display cover will then easily tilt forward and away from the power head housing. Please keep in mind that there is limited slack for the wire harness connected to the front display board. Then carefully wiggle and detach the multi-pin connector away from the display board.
Carefully wiggle the wire harness multi-pin connection upward to detach it away from the rear board. Then detach the 4-pin white connector, which is attached to the meter cable. Then the 2-pin white connector, which is attached to the drive motor, followed by the 2-pin red connector that is attached to the power supply. Then, using a crosshead screwdriver, loosen and remove the 4 screws that are in each corner of the rear board and set the screws aside. Then lift and remove the rear board and place it aside or discard of it. Then place the new board in the exact same position and secure it in place using the 4 screws. Next, reconnect the multi-pin connectors to the rear board while keeping in mind that the connectors are color-coded and keyed to fit in only one orientation. Connect the 2-prong red connector to its corresponding red connection. Connect the 2-prong white connector to its corresponding white connection. Then connect the 4-prong white connector to its corresponding connection on the board. And then finally, connect the wire harness multi-pin connector to the rear board as well.
Next, connect the wire harness's multi-pin connection to the front display board while keeping in mind that the connection is keyed to fit in only one orientation. Then reposition the front cover back into place, and while holding the front cover in position, use the crosshead screwdriver to tighten the 4 screws back into place.
Visit us at www.canaturewg.com.